Next up, a colleague of mine, Juan Vila, is going to walk you through what we call CPM, or CAT Production Measurement System. It's a payload system. Basically, it eliminates guesswork when you are in a productive situation on your job site and moving material throughout the day. Juan is going to walk you through CPM and show you just how easy it is to utilize. Juan, take it away.
Does any of the following challenges sound familiar to you? Substantial safety fines because the trucks are going overloaded to the roads, or perhaps wasting time, fuel, because you need to send the truck back to tip off some material because they are overloaded. Or let's put it the other way around. You are missing production, you are missing your productivity target because the trucks are coming underloaded all the time, or because you cannot make decisions, you cannot improve your productivity because you don't have the data timely to make accurate and efficient decisions. I think we have some tools to help you. In this video, we're going to show you CAT Payload system, also known as a CPM, which we believe we're going to help you to address all these challenges.
CAT Payload is an onboard scale system fully integrated from factory, which provides on-the-go weighting of the material in the bucket, helping the operator to achieve precise load targets and with that improving the loading efficiency and job site productivity, while reducing operating costs. All this without changing the way the operator will normally operate the machine, as there is no need for the operator to stop nor to do an unusual movement for the system to weigh accurately. It's measured completely on the go. The operator will receive all critical information in one display, fully integrated from the factory, with real-time payload in the bucket and in the truck being loaded. Information to do tip-off of any excess of material from the bucket, truck and material list for easier selection, to precisely load the trucks to target, avoiding any overload. Also, the capabilities to share the production data off-board, which can be done via USB download or even remotely via machine cellular connectivity. What are some of the benefits of this? CAT Payload will help you with your bottom line by making sure the trucks are loaded to optimum payload, eliminating trips to the scale and saving costs on moving material by reducing overload and the related safety risks and substantial road fines that normally come with it. This information will also help you to optimize your truck fleet size, resulting in reduced operator costs, fuel, and truck fleet maintenance costs. This system will enable the operator to track productivity from the CAT with quick access to the truck target weight, load and cycle counts, material movement, and daily total. If it's combined with CAT productivity off-board technology, you will be able to access all this data remotely and timely, which for sure will help you to manage operation and keep production targets on track. Lastly, it will help to boost the operator comfort, improving their loading consistency regardless of their experience level.
In summary, CAT Payload is a fully integrated system coming from factory that's going to help your operator and you in the office to measure it, help you manage it, help you make it pay. Thank you very much and stay safe.
Thank you, Juan. As you can see, very simple to use Caterpillar Production Measurement System. It's a weighing system that completely eliminates the guesswork, real-time measuring that productivity. Thank you very much, Juan.